Welcome to my channel by Tech. Today I will tell you how to install Windows 7 if you receive an error 0x000000e during installation. Screenshot of the error. First, download Ventoy tool. Left mouse click on Firefox. In the search bar enter Ventoy and press enter key. Left mouse click on Downloads. Then click on Ventoy-1.0.91-windows.zip. Scroll down a little bit. Left mouse click on Ventoy-1.0.91-windows.zip. File download started. Second, extract Ventoy archive. Right-click mouse on Ventoy-1.0.91-Windows and select from the drop-down menu Extract All. Leave the folder and checkmark as default and click the Extract button. Third, install Ventoy on a flash. Left mouse click on the folder Ventoy-1.0.91. Scroll down a little bit. Left mouse click on Ventoy to disk. Left click on Yes button. Then left mouse click on the green button. Left mouse click on Install button. All data from the flash drive will be erased. Be careful before clicking the Yes button. The operation was completed successfully. Now you can press the OK button. Fourth, copy the image of Windows 7 to a flash drive. Right-click on the file and select UT from the drop-down menu. Left-click mouse on the Ventoy drive. Right-click on an empty space and select Paste from the drop-down menu. File copying started. Copying the file has finished. Fifth, connect the flash drive to the USB port of the computer or laptop. Sixth, load from a flash drive. Press F8 for PC or F12 for laptop to bring up the boot menu. Select Jet Flash Transcend and press Enter. Attention! You will have a different flash drive name. Press Enter key to continue. Select Boot in normal mode and press Enter key to continue. Windows is loading files. Starting Windows. Windows installation started successfully. This instruction can be used to install other versions of Windows. For example, XP, 8. 8.1, 10, 11. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to receive notifications about new videos, subscribe to my channel. If you have suggestions on a topic that interests you, write in the comments below this video.